Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I will show you how to group apps by color on this device. So you want to open settings, and now let's scroll to home screen. Now under the section home screen settings you want to tap on home screen, and please make sure that it's set to with app drawer. If you have the classic, you have to switch to with app drawer because that's very important. So now let's scroll down until you see group icons by color feature. Turn this on, and now let's exit settings, and you want to swipe up to open the app drawer. And now at the bottom of the app drawer you'll see color panel, the red, yellow, green, blue and gray, or it's black. So if you enter some kind of category, you will see grouped applications by colors. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.